Hi, blessings. It's your girl Blessing once again, and you're welcome to another episode of Trying Recipes with me. In today's episode, we are going to be making the simplest but very delicious coffee cake. Here is the list of ingredients that you need. Into a blender cup, firstly we pour in our 1 cup of cooking oil of choice. You can use any type of cooking oil that you so desire. Then we'll add 1.5 tablespoon of coffee, instant coffee. The next thing to do is to add in your 1 cup of sugar. Don't worry, you can use granulated sugar as I am using in this recipe, but if you have access to powdered sugar too, you can use it. The next thing to do is to add 4 eggs to the mix and blend them all together. Ensure to blend it for a total of 5 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. In this channel, we try out hacks, DIY, we try out food recipes, and we give our honest review about it. If this is what you like, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime that we upload a video, you'll be notified about it. So let me officially say you're welcome to the Blessings family. After adding our blended mix in a bowl, then we add 2 cups of flour and 4 teaspoons of baking powder in a sieve, and we sieved it into a mix. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real G, the real MVPs. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your comments too. Thank you for doing everything to support this channel. Thank you for being a blessing to me. I love you all so much. Let me up, hold it down, keep me safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream. With the aid of a whisk or a spatula, then we gently mix the mixture together. You're not whisking it together, you are folding it together until the flour is mixed with the wet ingredients. So I rinsed the blender cup with water and I added it to my batter, and that is why my batter became more brighter in color. If you don't want that, then don't add water at all to your batter. This is me prepping my cupcake pan. You can choose to bake yours with a single baking pan, but personally I love cupcakes and I love how cute they look after baking. Hold it down. We need love. Keep me safe and sound. We need love. Burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need light. We need love. After preheating my oven on 230 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, I put my cupcake inside the oven for baking on 180 degrees Celsius. So this is me practically illustrating how to know if your cake is done or not. If you put in your skewer or toothpick inside the cake and it comes out wet with batter, then it is not fully baked yet. But if you put in the skewer or toothpick into the cake and it came out dry, then the cake is fully done. And voila, our cake is ready. This cake came out so beautiful and delicious, and I believe that everyone that ate from this cake can testify to that.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. Burning in a hopeless dream.
And this will be the end of this video. Kindly let me know what you think of this recipe in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe if you are yet to, and also let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye.